Here's how I make a luxurious lip balm that moisturizes your lips and brings a cheerful pop of festive red, turning everyday lip care into a delightful holiday treat. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I'm excited to share another fabulous DIY recipe to keep your lips soft and festive this holiday season. In this video, you'll learn how to create your own Holly Jolly lip balm. This lip balm is designed to nourish your lips while adding a playful tint that enhances your natural beauty. This enhancing recipe is part of the Simply Earth November 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box, which includes everything you need to craft your luscious lip balm just in time for the festivities. All these ingredients can also be found on simplyearth.com. As the air turns crisp, our lips often bear the brunt, becoming dry and chapped. Many commercial lip balms are loaded with synthetic additives and colorants that not only compromise the health of your lips, but often fail to deliver on the moisturizing promise. Finding a product free from harmful ingredients is frustrating while providing the care your lips genuinely deserve. Enter the Holly Jolly Lip Balm recipe, a 100% natural blend that delights your senses and cares for your lips. With nourishing oils and a joyful hint of color, this lip balm provides the perfect remedy for dry lips while putting a smile on your face. You'll love how this charming balm offers lasting hydration and a lovely festive tint, making it the perfect accessory for holiday gatherings or simply a treat for yourself. Turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Holly Jolly lip balm recipe from Simply Earth. You will need a half a tablespoon of coconut oil. This hydrates your skin. A half a teaspoon of almond oil. This is nourishing. A quarter teaspoon of beeswax. This adds a protective layer to your lips. 2 drops of mandarin essential oil. This helps brighten. An 1/8 teaspoon of rose red mica powder. This is a natural tint. A 15 milliliter cosmetic tint. Let's make this recipe. So first, you want to melt the coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax together in a double boiler or using short intervals in the microwave. Next, add the essential oils and stir. Then add the mica powder and stir. For a bolder look, add more mica powder. Pour the mixture into the cosmetic tin and allow it to cool. To use, apply to lips for moisturizing relief and a tint of red. Don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. I adore this lip balm. The festive red hues brightens my day and its moisture makes my lips feel incredibly soft and luscious. You can make this too. You deserve to pamper yourself with this delightful lip balm. Get your November 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box from Simply Earth and create your own Holly Jolly lip balm today. I can't wait to see your vibrant creations. Share your merry lip balm photos on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using hashtag I made this. Join our hashtag I made this challenge to win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos and spread some Christmas cheer by sharing this recipe with your friends and family.